since version 7.0, Glaser simulation handles interstitial condensation. Standard Glaser works in one dimension, along a line. The new method simulates condensation in 2D with FM. We start from a common thermal bridge on an unheated environment. Just make sure the M and G buttons are active. On simulation settings, Glaser simulation must be set to ISO 13,788 inches. In this way, every month will be simulated and ISO 13788 Glaser check will be performed. As with the standard Glaser, we find the first condensation month, then evaluate accumulated condensation and evaporation. In this case, condensation starts in November and ends by the end of March. In Glaser simulation, you have several new visualization types. You can use the slider at the bottom of the window to check month by month. On the advanced results, you'll find the details of this simulation. Now we'll show you a presentation made with the 3D version of the software, since it supports multiple components. All the Glaser features are present in the 2D version too. Thanks to the new 2D Glaser simulation, we can easily compare different solutions. In this case, with no vapor barrier, with 12.545 G in February. The situation is worse with an external vapor barrier, 52.433 G in February. Things get better with the vapor barrier placed in the middle, 10.461 G in February. An internal barrier is the best solution, 0.179 G in February. How does it work? 1. Simulate partial pressure. 2. Compute saturation pressure. 3. Evaluate relative humidity. 4. Evaluate condensation.